All right, let's kick off the year right by diving into the very first major Power BI report server update of 2026. Microsoft just dropped a whole bunch of new features, and we're going to break down what they are and, this is the important part, what they actually mean for your reports.
So, let me ask you something. It's a new year, right? What's your plan to really supercharge your reports? How are you going to make them more insightful, more interactive, just more impactful? Well, you're in luck because this latest update might just hold the key. We're about to unpack all the new tools Microsoft is handing over that'll help you turn that raw data into some really clear, compelling stories.
Okay, before we get into all the shiny new features, let's do a quick refresher just so we're all on the same page. Power BI Report Server. That's for all you folks who need to keep your data on premises, right? It gives you the full power of Power BI, but it's all tucked safely behind your own firewall. Okay? Got it? Great. Let's see what's new.
All right, first up, let's talk about what's probably the most exciting part of any update, the visuals. This is where your data really, truly comes to life. And believe me, this release really delivers. We're getting a whole new toolbox packed with visuals designed to build way more engaging experiences. And look, this isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about giving your audience the power to dig in and find those deeper insights in the data themselves. So this first batch of visuals, it's all about letting your users explore. You've got these new Drill Down Pro charts that let people literally click into a visual to see what's going on underneath. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion. And for all you root cause analysis fans, the decomposition tree now has an expand all option that's going to save you, a ton of clicks. But it's not just about exploration. This next set of visuals, man, they open up completely new ways to see your data. The Sankey chart, it's amazing for visualizing how things flow from one stage to another. The word cloud is fantastic for making sense of text data. And the Power Gantt chart, that's an absolute game changer for anyone in project management. These are literally brand new tools for telling brand new kinds of stories. And check this out. One of the most powerful new additions actually comes from the community. It's called the Synoptic Panel. Get this, it lets you take any image, I'm talking a map, a floor plan, even a diagram of an engine, and map your data right onto it. So just imagine clicking on a specific part of a machine to see its live performance data. How cool is that? It literally turns a static picture into a fully interactive dashboard. Okay, so amazing new visuals are one thing, but what about the actual process of building the reports, right? That's what we'll cover in Section 2. The upgrades that are going to make designing and analyzing everything so much faster and, well, just better. It seems like Microsoft has really focused on some key quality of life improvements here. These are the kinds of features that might not grab the big headlines, but they're ones that save you real time and frustration day in and day out. And ultimately, they help you get to a much more professional final product. And here's a perfect example. Come on, we've all been there, right? You're just fiddling endlessly with column widths in a table, trying to kill that awkward empty space or stop text from getting cut off. Well, guess what? No more. Now you can just tell your tables and matrices to automatically fill the available space. It sounds like a small change, I know, but it makes a huge difference in getting that super clean, professional look. There are 3 other key upgrades that really stand out to me. First, the button slicer is now officially ready for prime time, which makes it so much easier to create that clean app-like navigation. Second, that all-important card visual, for your main KPIs. It's getting a ton of new styling options. And finally, and listen up, because this one's a big deal, the Performance Analyzer is now available directly in the web editor. This means you can pinpoint exactly what's slowing down your report right in your browser and then fix it on the spot. Huge. Whew, okay, so we've covered a lot of new ground here. Let's pull it all together now and talk about the bottom line. What does all this stuff actually mean for you and the work you do every day? This table really breaks it all down perfectly. You want to improve your storytelling? Bam! You've got Sankey and Word Cloud for visualizing flows and text. Need more interactivity? The Drill Down Pro charts let your users explore all on their own. How about efficiency? The Performance Analyzer lets you find and fix slowdowns in a snap. And for that final polish, auto-expanding columns give you that professional layout without any of the headache. The big takeaway here is that every single one of these upgrades is designed to solve a real-world problem that we as report creators actually face. And the best part? This is just the beginning. Don't forget, Microsoft drops these major updates for Power BI Report Server on a super predictable schedule, January, May, and September. So you can bet there are even more awesome capabilities coming down the pipeline throughout the year. It's definitely something to look forward to. So, That brings us right back to where we started. You've now got this whole new set of tools at your fingertips, ready to completely elevate your reports. I guess the only question left is, which feature are you going to use first?